Mum.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Natalie and this is Made by Mum. We're going to make this lovely granny square. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our yarn, and I'm using a 4mm hook. Sorry, my dog's crying because he wants to go play outside. We're going to get our yarn and we are going to make a magic loop or ring or however anybody else says it. I like to hold it between my fingers, well, over my fingers, wrap it round, keep hold of it with my little finger, hook under the first part of the loop, catch hold of the second and pull it through. Leave a little bit of tension so we can move it. Take my fingers out and it stays where it is. Get my working part of the loop and just do a slip stitch and it keeps it in place. So with this we are working into the center loop and we're going to want to do some double crochets. So we're going to chain up 3. So that first one on the hook on the loop is 1, yarn over, pull through for 2, yarn over, pull through for 3, yarn over again, and then into this center loop with the hook, pull up a loop. Oh, hold it so I can actually see what I'm doing. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and that's our first double crochet and 3 chains acting as a double crochet. So we're going to do exactly the same thing. Yarn over, through the center loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So there's our first 3 double crochet, or in this case 2 double crochet and a chain 3. So that is what we call a shell. And then we are going to chain 2 and again work another shell, so 3 more double crochet into this center loop. So yarn over, through the hoop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Oh, more yarn, sorry, a little bit of a catch then. So again, yarn over, through the center, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, through the loop, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Oh, and lose your hoop at the same time. There we go. Sorry, that was my little boy laughing in the background because I made a little bit of a boo-boo. I'm going to pull my loop a little bit tighter so my stitches can all stay in one place. There we go. There is an awful racket outside. I do apologise. My husband's decided to clean the yard. So we have got our first corner. Doesn't look like much, not yet compared to what we are doing, but we have just done this bit here. So we've done this shell and this shell. We're just going to do the chain 2 and another shell. So chain 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and 3 more double crochet. Hold my tail, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, through the loop, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So there's another 2, one more, yarn over, through the center, pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. There we go. Another chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. So for the final time, yarn over, through the center, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, through the center, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again. Last one, yarn over, through the center, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. There we have, doesn't quite look like a square at the moment, but we have got 1 shell, 2 shell, 3 shell and 4 shell. We're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. And we are going to go into, mind that tail out of the way, let's pull that a little bit tighter. There we go. We're going to go in to the 3rd chain stitch. So there's 1, 2, and into the 3rd. And slip stitch. Pull up a loop and pull it through. Give it a little tug. Tug my hoop. There we go. Now this centre hole is quite big, and with this tail that we were working over, just give it a little pull. As tight or as loose as you want it. I'm going to do it to about there. Normally I pull it all the way closed, so then there's no pulling and tugging, and it makes it a little bit more secure. But for this tutorial I shall leave a little bit of a gap. So to make it easy, we're going to change the colour of our yarn. So scissors, give it a snip, and then just, if I don't lose my thread, pull up a loop and give it a tug. So there we have our first round, which looks really square and really nice. So the second colour, I'm going to use this blue. Let's get some off. I should have done this before we started the tutorial. There we go. We don't need too much. So we are going to do a slip knot. So loop it round your finger. I like to pull my finger out afterwards so I can get my hook in there. Sometimes, there we go. Just pull up a loop, hold both sides, give it a tug, and then tug it onto, give it a little pull to tighten it. So we fastened off on this side here. I'm going to attach here. Makes it just that little bit tidier and it's not so thick to work over. So put your hook through your chain 2 space, pull up a loop. So you've got 2 loops on your hook, and pull that one hoop through the other, give it a little tug, and we are attached. We need to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And that acts as our first double crochet. We now need to do another 2 into this part. So yarn over, through your chain 2 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So we have our chain 3 and our first double crochet. So one more, yarn over, through chain 2 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So there is our first shell. We're going to chain 1 because we are on the side, and we're going to do another double crochet into this part, into the other side. There's 1 double crochet. Sorry, I've got a little bit of a tickle in my throat. We're going to do a second double crochet and a third, and then we are going to chain 2, and again into the same chain space we're going to work another 3 double crochet. So there's 1. Oh, my pink tail is just getting in the way, so I'm going to hold that down as I work 2 more double crochet. There's 1, and 1 more is 2. So pull up a loop. There we go. I can show you a little bit better. There is our first corner, our first full corner. So we've got our first chain 3 shell, 3 double crochet shell. Then we chained 1. Then we did 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. Then we chained 2, 3 double crochet. So that is our corner shell, which will be the same throughout the whole project of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now we are back onto the side, excuse me, back onto the side, and we are going to do a chain 1, sorry, chain 1, and then 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in this next corner. So attach my hook back on, my loop back onto my hook, chain 1, yarn over and through this chain 2 space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again, yarn over through the chain 2 space. Sorry, my dog decided he was going to make a rather loud noise. Pull up a hoop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. One more. And there we go. That's our first 3 double crochets. Give it a little tuck, then you've got room to do your next 3. Chain 2, 1 and 2, yarn over through that through the chain 2 space again, pull up a loop, chain 2. No, that's not a chain 2, it's pull through 2. Sorry, my pooch is sulking. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. Come on, Ben, off you go. Go on. Sorry, go on. Right, back to it. Yarn over through the chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more, yarn over through the centre, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there we have our second corner. Chain 1 to go over this shell and into the next corner. Sorry, I'm running out of yarn again. There we go. Right, so we've yarned over through the chain 2 space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to do another 2. I'm going to speed up a little bit, so yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 if I don't break my yarn. There we go, and through 2 again. One more, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Chain 2, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, oh, a little bit of room, into the centre of the chain 2 space, pull up a loop and pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. Yarn over through the centre, pull up a loop, through 2, through 2, oops, try that again, there we go, and one more double crochet on this part, and there is our third corner. We just need to finish this corner, so we are going to chain 1, yarn over and through this chain space we're going to do another 3 double crochet. So there's 1 and 2, one more makes 3, and we just need to do the last chain 2, chain 1 and chain 2, and then we are going to go into the third chain from the bottom. So there's 1, 2 and 3, work in, pull up a loop and pull through, give it a little tug, oh, scissors, give it a little snip, yarn over, pull through fully and a little tug. You can either work that in with a yarn needle, which I just use a normal standard yarn needle, or you can just leave them dangling behind, work them in when you're done, or you can work over the top like I did with that one. Secures it down and keeps it out of the way. So we're going to go on to the next colour now.